Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cat carriers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sherpa Forma Frame Pet Carrier. The Sherpa Forma Frame Carrier, which can accommodate pets up to 16 pounds, has several features to help keep your best friends safe on the road. Most importantly, it's been crash tested at the University of Michigan's Transportation Research Institute's testing facility. Adding to its security, it has versatile straps to keep the carrier fixed to your car seat while you drive. Those same straps can be used for toting the carrier around. Plus, there's a safety leash inside the Forma frame that tethers your pet for safety. Users report that there's ample room in there for pets to move around and lay down, making journeys, short and long, more comfortable. There's a reversible and washable quilted mat inside too. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Sleepypod Air Airline-Approved Carrier. Featuring flexible sides that can be partially collapsed to fit underneath the seat in front of you. The well-ventilated Sleepypod Air is designed for in-cabin use during air travel. Just make sure it meets your airline's size requirements for pet carriers. When the seatbelt sign signals it's safe for you to roam about the cabin, you can pull the carrier from under the seat and push down the sides, giving your cat a little more room to stretch his or her legs. Isn't that what we all crave on a flight? Once you deboard, the carrier can sit atop your suitcase, thanks to its side pockets that slide onto the handles of rolling luggage. And if your cat gets nervous during the flight and has an accident, no sweat. The carrier's inner pad is removable and machine washable. At number 3, we have the Petkit Cat Backpack Carrier. From the maker of our favorite cat water fountain, the Petkit Cat Backpack Carrier makes it possible to tote your cat around on your back, and most importantly, keep them at ease while you do so. Capable of holding pets up to 17 pounds, this plastic and polyester carrier has a quiet, built-in fan and interior light to help your pet stay comfortable on hot days or nights. Meanwhile, the wide tinted window helps protect your cat from bright lights and UV rays, which can make them anxious. And the carrier is designed to keep you feeling good too. It offers both waist and shoulder support, and the back's breathable mesh fabric and EVA padding mean you don't get too hot while carrying around your cat. Lastly, the carrier is generally safe for air travel, though it's always wise to check with your airline before traveling. At number 2, we have the Lollimeow Pet Rolling Carrier. For felines who go with the flow, meet the Lollimeow Pet Rolling Carrier, which can scoot across the floor or be worn as a backpack. Suitable for cats and dogs up to 15 pounds, this versatile, breathable carrier boasts tons of appealing features: anti-escape zippers, side pockets for storage of treats, and a folding window shield for cats that prefer privacy when they're out and about. While this rolling carrier has a lot going for it, reviews especially love its ease of use, spacious interior, and travel-friendly design. That said, some customers note that the Lollimeow was too large to fit under the seat in front of them on a flight. As always, check your airline's carrier requirements and/or carry-on size restrictions before you show up to the airport with your cat in tow. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sherpa Original Deluxe Airline-Approved Pet Carrier. Don't know whether your cat prefers a hard or soft carrier? With the Sherpa Original Deluxe Pet Carrier, you don't have to, thanks to the brand's patented spring wire frame, which holds its shape but is capable of bending. This carrier offers the best of both worlds. To start, it's padded with a removable, washable faux lambskin liner to help keep your pet comfortable inside, while the mesh sides offer great ventilation. And for your own peace of mind, the zippers lock to keep your feline secure while you travel, whether via car or plane. Simply put, this flexible pick checks all the most important boxes. Another perk: when it comes time to get your cat inside, a task every owner dreads, this carrier gives you options, as it opens on the side and top. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.